So your washing machine and dryer is located next to the kitchen and utility room. You have your washing machine here and your dryer here. This is obviously your settings for your dryer. And then let's say you want to do eco, temp, speed, and then just press start here. And then for your washing machine, again, you've got all your different types. So cottons, etc. And then it will tell you. So let's say we want to do cottons. Cottons, yes. 2 hours, 30 minutes. And then we'll press go.